Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how Object-Oriented Programming, OOP. Learn the basics of OOP in Python, including classes, objects, attributes, and methods. Object-Oriented Programming, OOP, is a programming paradigm that uses objects to represent real-world entities and concepts. In Python, objects are created from classes, which are essentially blueprints that define the properties and behaviors of the objects. Here are the basic concepts of OOP in Python. 1. Classes. A class is a blueprint that defines the attributes, data, and methods, behavior, of an object. Classes are defined using the class keyword, followed by the name of the class and a colon. Here's an example: class person pass. 2. Objects. An object is an instance of a class. You can create objects by calling the class like a function. Here's an example: person equals person. 3. Attributes. Attributes are variables that hold data for an object. They can be defined inside the class using the self keyword. Here's an example. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this example, we defined a constructor method called __init__, which is called when an object is created. The constructor takes two arguments, name and age, and assigns them to the name and age attributes of the object. For methods, methods are functions that define the behavior of an object. They can be defined inside the class using the self keyword. Here's an example. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this example, we defined a method called say_hello, which prints a message that includes the name attribute of the object. That's the basics of OOP in Python. With these concepts, you can create classes and objects, define attributes and methods, and give your programs the power and flexibility of OOP. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.